I'm Professor Plastow. I work at the University of Alberta at what's called the Livestock Gentech Centre, and I lead this project. It's a really exciting project for a number of reasons. Let's start with the fact that if we think about the increase in world population in 40 years, we're going to be feeding 9 billion people, and the meat industry has been terrific at producing more meat at a lower cost with a smaller environmental footprint. That's what we've been doing. But in this case, we're looking at pig disease. And the two diseases we're focusing on cost the industry in Canada $200 million a year. And they're not only problems in Canada, but also all around the world. And this genomics may be one of the only ways of really capturing the opportunity to breed for pigs that are healthier and can be produced without or with less impact of these diseases. So that's really the number one aspect. The second aspect is we've been able to put together a consortium of researchers from all around the world, and all across Canada in particular. So Canada is leading this international project that is working very closely with industry itself as well. And I guess that's the third aspect, because we believe any change that we can make will be directly taken up by the industry, because they're working hand in hand with us, and they'll really be able to take the results directly into selecting for animals that are less affected by these horrible diseases. So we actually have lucky in that we've built the project on some work that involves all of the Canadian breeding companies, which was begun in the US. And so we've been able to pull together with Genome Canada support and the support of several other agencies in Canada. We've been able to grow that project, and the new project began in July and will run for 3 years. Yes, I think already the preliminary results we have are really very exciting. So when we challenge pigs with these diseases, all of the pigs become infected, but we see a very wide range in growth response. So all of the pigs are producing virus, but some of them really continue to grow, whereas others, well, unfortunately, some die, and others, their growth really stops until they can fight off the disease. And so we already believe we can identify regions of the genome that explain that variation. So within 2 or 3 years, the industry will be able to select for pigs that are less affected by these diseases, thereby reducing the impact and providing a return for our industry partners.
Just kind of looks a little